Welcome back to Creative Mathematics and Coding with CodeWorld. You're at Unit 1, Lesson 4, Part 2, Translation. In the previous section, we learned our first transformation, colored, which applies color to a picture. In this part, we'll learn a second transformation, called translated. This is used to move pictures around on the screen. The translated function needs 3 arguments. The first is a picture. Once again, this is like a template or pattern that the transformation will make a copy of. The next 2 arguments are the horizontal change and the vertical change in the position of the picture. If the variable star refers to a picture like this, then the expression translated star, 5, 5 describes this picture, the same star but in a different place on the page. The 2 5s tell you how far the star should be moved, horizontally and vertically. Let's take a closer look. You should recognize this picture. It's a number line, and this number line will guide us in deciding which numbers to use to move a picture where we want. This number line is horizontal, and mathematicians also call this the x direction. That just means side to side. When you're using translation, a positive number for the horizontal movement means move a picture to the right side of the screen, and a negative number means move a picture to the left side of the screen. That's the same as you may be used to seeing on number lines in the past. We can also turn the number line so it's oriented up and down. This direction is called vertical. Mathematicians refer to it as the y dimension, and it just means up or down. When you're using translation to move a shape up or down, a positive number means move in the upward direction, and a negative number means move in the downward direction. By combining both horizontal and vertical movement, we can place a shape anywhere we like on the page. Here we've defined a variable dot. Dot is a solid circle, and without any transformations, it's drawn in black in the center of the screen, just like usual. But by using the translated function, we can move this dot to other parts of the screen. The expression translated dot, 6, 3 means move the dot 6 units to the right horizontally. Remember, positive numbers move a shape to the right. And 3 units up. Remember, positive numbers for y move a shape up rather than down. That causes the dot to move a little bit above and substantially to the right of the center of this picture. The expression translated dot -5, -1 moves the shape substantially to the left because the -5 for the x direction means move to the left, and a little bit down. The -1 for y means move it down. If you don't want to move a shape both horizontally and vertically, you can just use a 0 for the direction where it doesn't need to move. In the expression translated dot 0, -5, a 0 is used for the x direction. That means don't move it at all side to side. Instead, only move this dot down. The -5 for y means down. And here's a dot which is moved left and up. The -7 in the x position means move 7 to the left. The 2 in y is positive, so that means move up by 2 units. Remember, the x direction or horizontal movement comes first, and the y direction or vertical movement comes second. Now it's your turn. Here are 2 examples of name tags created using both colors and translation. With these 2 transformations together, you can do all kinds of creative things. So let's update your name tags one last time. Be creative, express yourself, and explore the possibilities. See what you can come up with. See you next time.